DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying, providing accurate and precise measurements for various purposes. One such group of DGPS surveyors is located in Saket, Delhi, known as Scon Design. Saket is a well-developed area in South Delhi, and Scon Design is a renowned company offering professional surveying services to clients in the region. DGPS surveyors in Saket utilize advanced technologies and equipment to collect data and measure distances, elevations, and positions of various points on the land. DGPS, which stands for Differential Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based navigation system that provides highly accurate positioning information. This technology ensures that the measurements obtained by the surveyors are reliable and can be used for a range of applications. Scon Design, based in Saket, Delhi, is a reputable firm known for its expertise in land surveying. The company has a team of skilled and experienced DGPS surveyors who are trained to handle various surveying projects. Whether it is for construction purposes, mapping, or infrastructure development, Scon Design's DGPS surveyors have the knowledge and skills to deliver accurate results. The services provided by Scon Design's DGPS surveyors in Saket are diverse and cater to different needs. They offer topographic surveys, which involve the measurement of natural and man-made features on a piece of land. These surveys are crucial for understanding the terrain and planning construction projects effectively. Scon Design surveyors also conduct boundary surveys, which determine the exact boundaries of a property, ensuring that there are no encroachments or disputes. In addition to these services, Scon Design's DGPS surveyors in Saket also offer cadastral surveys, which involve the measurement and identification of land parcels, helping in land administration and management. They also provide control surveys, which establish precise reference points on the ground for future surveys or engineering projects. Scon Design's DGPS surveyors in Saket are equipped with state-of-the-art surveying instruments and software to ensure accurate measurements and efficient data processing. They employ advanced techniques such as real-time kinematic (RTK) positioning, which enhances the accuracy of measurements by correcting errors caused by atmospheric disturbances. This allows them to produce reliable and highly precise survey reports for their clients. The expertise and professionalism of Scon Design's DGPS surveyors in Saket have made them a trusted choice for land surveying projects in the region. Their commitment to delivering accurate results within the specified timeframes has earned them a reputation for excellence. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or infrastructure projects, clients can rely on Scon Design's DGPS surveyors in Saket to provide